Boomerang 2.0 Data Recovery. Recovering deleted files from an iPod. Today, we are going to demonstrate how to recover deleted files from an iPod. First, click iPod for Boomerang to search iPods that are connected to your computer. Then, select the recovery method needed. Today, we are going to select Recover Deleted Files from my iPod. Next, we will click Continue. Boomerang will then show you the connected iPod devices. Select the device you wish to recover and then click Continue. Boomerang will now scan the drive for your media. When Boomerang has finished scanning, a new window with the deleted files from your iPod will appear. Select the files you wish to recover and then choose the Save Selected Files button. Thank you for watching this Boomerang data recovery tutorial.